how I used the drift dance to give a graduation speech to 12-year-olds.
Just thought it didn't move me at all. It's very timid.
Ramon Fisher, who is unavailable, absent.
Welcome to the countdown. Yeah. Welcome to the social media countdown. Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another DuttyBerry Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you've been doing good and enjoying the weekend, on well rested and all of these things. You look at me in another glasses, another eyewear from I Spy 876. Yes, people, they're sponsoring the countdown for the entire month. So please to go out and copy you a frame of your own. All right. Anyway, let's get into this week's Top 10.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Elaine versus Coach Stephen Francis. Now, Berritos, before I jump down into this topic, let me just go and talk about the national trials that was. Let's talk about the spectacular performances from our athletes. And we can't go to this without mentioning Shericka Jackson, a world leading 10.65 seconds. My God, in the 100 meters, come on, no man. Shakari, who?
Off it goes. Very, very good start by Shericka Jackson. Natasha Morrison's on the premises. Thompson here is knocking on the door as well. Step forward, Shericka Jackson, imperiously.
Because before that, Shakari run come go do 10.71, which was the fastest time for the year.
Many won't forget you threw the wig off and then you threw down on the track. What did it mean to cross the line, be a national champion, and now you're going to your first Global Outdoor Championship?
Well, I've been a champion, that's for one.
And so same time, Shericka heard that and said, no man, I forgot to bring this back on Jamaican style, Jamaican territory, and that is what she did.
It's a really, really good time, Honestly, I know I was capable, but I just wanted to put it together, and I think I did so tonight, and I am so, so grateful.
You have Megan Tapper, who did a new PB in the 100-meter hurdle, so you have to congratulate her on that as well. And just like so many athletes, the amazing performances. And where I was watching all of these amazing performances, on Sedan Bowen YouTube channel, like the brother is trackside and him get all of the good juicy content, the authentic content, like the moment here him get with Shericka.
I heard that even though you're the fastest woman alive over 200 meters, you hate sprinting. Explain that to me.
I don't think I hate it now. When I just started sprinting, it took a toll on my legs. I couldn't recover. It takes so long to recover. So I think that was one of the things I hated sprinting, but I love it. But maybe because I just started sprinting and my body not used to so much fast turnover. So that was then.
Well, yes, man. And Shelly, she finally, opened her season. She ran the 200 meters, and it just did nice with Shelly on the track again.
Sent away cleanly. And what does Shelley and Fraser Price produce? Look at Natasha Morrison, who's made a good start. Here's Fraser Price now catching up to them on the outside. And Fraser Price has gone by them. And Fraser Price has swept off the curve here. Tava Thomas tries to come back at her. It's Fraser Price and Tava Thomas. Fraser Price.
But let us get into the meat of the matter right now. We have to go and talk about Elaine Thompson not making the team. She did not finish in the top 3 to go and get the pick to go to the World Championships. So this, I'm sure, is devastating for Elaine Thompson. But she's been talking about the fact that she's going through an injury. And so people online, them not take Elaine word feet, what they are saying is that she need to go, get rid of her husband as her coach and go back to MVP. And on that, they must say online so many tweets and stuff. People have big conversations like them, they on Red Table Talk, both Elaine and her own interests. And so in the middle of that, when, MVP coach Stephen Francis was asked about whether or not he would be open to, taking Elaine back to the MVP. Stephen Francis said he will take any former MVP athlete, any one of them, but not Elaine. Any one of them, but not who? Elaine, no, right there and then, I wonder what could have transpired so bad that the brother would have rushed come out and have said this. He could have just declined for comment, you know. But Stephen Francis, you know, him is not one for going to mean words them. He's going to talk up the things them whether you like it or not. And boy, oh boy. So in the middle of that now, it look like say Elaine Siwa Guano. And it seemed like Elaine live good. She have her money, she alright, she well comfortable, and she deal with things for her personal time without really jumping to the media. But she went on her Instagram page, she go put up them story here and go drop some word, I guess, for the haters. Plead my cause, O Lord, with them that strive with me. Fight against them that fight against me. Take hold of shield and buckler, and stand up for mine help. Draw out also spear, and stop the way against them that persecute me. Say unto my soul, I am thy salvation. Let them be confounded and put to shame that seek after my soul. You won't break my soul. Let them be turned back and brought to confusion that devise my hurt. Let them, yeah, me can't bother continue on. Wanna get the drift. Like Elaine Thompson era, she said everything but this. Peace out me Bible. That alone did leave, but you know, honestly, I'm just like, you know what, my takeaway is that, you know, nice to have the Jamaica trials where we get for the national trials where we get to see so many new athletes, and you know, athletes them what we know from like high school transitioning into the senior part of their career. It's nice to see that. It's just nice to see Elaine competing. She's been, you know, open about her injury. I forgot to give her the grace, whether or not she has made the right decision to step away from MVP and to work with her husband. After she forgot to choose that. You get me? If she wants to choose for her mental health, let her do so. And I guess the big breakaway from this is the YouTuber that goes by the name of Sidon Bowen. I hope I get the pronunciation correct. You know, his YouTube channel definitely took up a lot of traction because he was able to really, you know, show each day of the national trials and, you know, could I get a sense of all of the athletes. So kudos to him and great job, and me I look forward to more content from this brother, and hopefully the sponsors them want to watch the stuff them and make sure so they're going to support the youth when, you know, he chooses to cover future sporting events. Anyway, Burritos, let me know what was your highlight of the national trials. Sound off below. Number 9, Trini Interview. Miroti. Okay, Burritos, no, but I forgot to talk about this interview. I absolutely love this. Now, this comes from Nicholas Nonvan. He is a content creator that tends to do a lot of street interviews, just out and about, talking to everyday people and finding out about their stories. Now, this one definitely caught my eye because I hear the person talk and I say, yeah man, this sound like a Caribbean accent. I take a check, realize it was a Trinidadian woman who was detailing just her life in real time, and trust me, it was quite a roller coaster. Take a listen.
What are you up to today?
Buying my Islamic outfit for a funeral.
Who died?
A lady in the hotel that I live at.
You're so nice for attending her funeral.
Yeah.
Where are you from originally?
Trinidad.
What song makes you feel the most in love?
My husband just died. COVID. He's dead as a nit, so I'm not thinking about romance right now. I'm just thinking about money.
What did you love the most about him?
He took care of me. He did my hair. I didn't have to pay money. Why are you pushing that shit on the sidewalk? Go home. Sorry. Guess how old I am?
You look 50.
I am 73.
Your skin looks so good.
The genes. All of my family look good. They start looking the age when they're getting ready to die.
You have so many of these chains. What are they from?
I can't tell you the meaning.
Religious meaning? Which religion?
Santeria. I'm Roman Catholic.
Santeria and Catholicism are pretty much similar things, right?
Correct.
I know the little bit of history.
Good. You're well read. You're a journalist, right?
What does the number 2 mean?
After my husband died, my senior citizen center had a competition. So I wrote a poem about him.
You made some, huh?
I don't want to make a fool of myself because I'll bust out crying. Anyway, he's dead. He died January 8th last year. So I should be over it, but I'm not.
There's nothing wrong with crying about it either.
None in the street, you're kidding me?
What's your name again?
My street name is Anzinga. I busted my mouth. I almost broke out my teeth.
My mother's always falling too.
No, a trip. This is not always falling. Big lawsuit.
You going for it?
Hello? I have a very hungry Jewish lawyer. I'm always suing, and then they don't bother.
Where you keeping the little bag?
My gun. No.
Oh wow. No, people, you saw me, I tell you. It's like you listen and I saw you're just intrigued. You want to cry. You want to laugh. you want ball, you want just be content, you're so appreciative, just so many types of emotion went through while watching this video. And to this woman, big up yourself, you know. I like say you just feel like somebody, you know, seem like somebody who is unconventional and very radical with how you think and operate, and so kudos to you. And Burritos, let me know, have you ever met an interesting person like this just randomly on the road? Sound off in the comments.
The random video of the week is sponsored by Dolce Beauty, offering bridal and special occasion makeup services to brides and beauties. So call them today at 876-590-1525 or visit their Instagram page at Dolce_Beauty.
Alright, Burritos, so while you're watching, this is a public service announcement. Please to go and hit the like button. Una watch right now. Double tap. I am waiting right now. Big other people that have credit on them phone. If you have credit on your phone right now, please hit the thumbs up button. Alright? If you can read and write, thumbs up button right now. Thumbs up button and share the video. If you have food in your fridge, give me the thumbs up. Thank you. Alright. And if you have no food, thumbs up right now. If your bathroom wants to clean right now, give me a thumbs up. Alright? Anyway, let's get back into the countdown. Number 8, surprising granny may return back. Okay, now, so this is one of the heartwarming videos in this week's social media countdown. So there's a young lady by the name of Nayoka Clooney. She's actually her national trials winner at the hammer throw this year. And so recently she come back to Jamaica, of course, to compete at the national trials. And so she decided to go and surprise her grandmother, who she hasn't seen in quite a while. Take a look at how it unfolded.
Hi, Grandma! Hi, Grandma! I'm a grandpa. Hi, Grandma! I just make you one for you. Mr. Mebek, Travis got it once and he's sick. You no answer. My phone mash up. You see Travis come to you, if you ask if you come down, I say it's in use. Jesus, what? Him and the nigga. Come on, Mr. Yeah. And he smile and walk away. So I say, oh my God, we can't wait. Yes, so you'll be seeing me on your TV this year, finally.
Oh gosh, man. Oh my God. Come on, man. This is the type of stuff that I want to see, like on social media. I'm tired of the baga and the cussing and the war and all of them look something here. Them look feel good moments here. You can't really just, me tell you, you know, there is a special love between a grandmother and them grandpitney. There is just something there. Sometimes you all vex with your own parent, you know. But you see your grandparents, them get special privilege. It's like, me no know. Them not, You will hear them cuss you and you just sit down and take it because of your grandparents. Your parents, them, yeah, you might not let them off so easy. You might not let them off, but something about that grandmother band, me don't know, it's different. It's different and it is definitely reflected here. And so, boy, oh boy, such an awe moment. But Burritos, let me know, what is your grandmother's name? Because I know some of the grandmother have some names. Sound off in the comments.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Number 7, Councillor Speech, me extra lesson. Okay, Burritos, know. So this video went viral, you know, and I've had several thoughts on it. Now, there is a JLP, a councillor who sits on the board at the Old Harbour Primary School. He was making a speech, and trust me, people, the speech was not necessarily the here's what, the brother did deliver him speech, but I guess because of the many hiccups, it was very distracting. And so I guess someone recorded it to tease him, make fun of how he was communicating, and it went viral. For those of you who haven't seen it, here it goes.
Education, youth and distinguished guests, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I, Steve Graham, council nominee on the Old Harbour Primary Board of Management, I represent Mr. Ramon Fisher, who is unavailable, absent, I happy for this opportunity to greet you today at the 2023 graduation at this School of Excellence. Graduation is a milestone of all levels. For the reason I feel truly honored to be here at all wonderful occasion, annual graduation ceremony at the Old Harbour Primary School.
Oh yeah, it was hard to watch. It was hard to watch, that's all. Honestly, if I did my friend, me take out my friend and me finish it for him. Like, yeah, I would have definitely helped out my friend. Like, you have 1 or 2 errors, 3, 4, it's okay. But it was very hard to watch. I see many people laughing after him and I call him back at the class and don't. And I guess the idea that because he's a counselor, a politician, the expectation is definitely higher because at least you want to see that somebody at least appears educated, and from this video it make people that think otherwise. So I understand that sentiment, but I also get that not everybody is good at public speaking. Not everyone is comfortable speaking the English language. It kind of goes back to my thing that, we are not natural here as Jamaicans. All of us are not natural English speakers. We think there's an idea that English is really our natural native language, but it really isn't. It really has to be learned. Patois comes, it tends to be a lot more innate to us as a people. And this is just a reflection of all of that. I just wish that him to just go in at the patois and just put on the whole of the speaky spokey if he felt uncomfortable like that on stage, because nothing wrong with the delivery to me. Okay, nothing is wrong if him did want to go into the language of the people. That would have been fair enough. But let me know your thoughts, Berritos, on this video. Sound off below. You think him need to go back to school, or are you a lot more understanding like myself? Sound off below. I'm getting married in the morning. I know why I don't want to get married, because of Dare to Dream wedding accessories. Let me just tell you this. Yes, Dare to Dream is your go-to online and retail store for all things wedding, bridal, accessories, and beyond. They have an exquisite collection of accessories that will have the bride blushing from cheek to cheek. From stunning lace to sparkling rhinestone beads, they've got everything covered, everything you can need for give you that extra va-va-voom on that day. But hold on. So they also do more. Them also cater to the everyday fashionistas like you that watching this right now, with them earrings, turbans, hair accessories, and even detachable shoe straps. And if you're into DIY, them have your cover too. You can get inspiration with their dazzling rhinestone flatbed beads, exquisite embroidery trims, intricate lace and beaded appliques, and rhinestone brooches for bouquets. So Berritos, once you think wedding, think Dare to Dream. You see that? Wedding, Dare to Dream, right there. Put the two of them together, symbiosis. Visit their online stores at daretodream.store. Personalized shipping is also available. Email them at daretodreamweddingaccessories@gmail.com or WhatsApp them at 862-899-6346. Follow them on Instagram as well, Dare to Dream WA. Number 6, young engineer, me Einstein. Okay, Berritos know. So I saw this video, another good video that I saw, and it was from Jermaine Dunham TikTok page, and he featured this 13-year-old boy who I guess put together some sort of radio Bluetooth system device on his own. Take a look.
Yeah, Jamaica, look here. Little boy, how much I get my teacher? 13-year-old. Look on the radio. Then radio use Bluetooth, And look, as a Bluetooth youth connect, you see me? What on them, I'm not done yet, Show them again, show them. Bluetooth, charger, show them a battery. Convert, you look at you convert. 13-year-old, Bluetooth. See, they show them on your phone. Yeah, man. Bluetooth, you look at boy I use, brother. On the old radio. See there? Bluetooth. You might use, Panny. See him there? Yeah, man. Tyreek, man. 13-year-old. Remember me tell you, keep up your thing here. Don't stop. Play your tune.
Come on, man, round of applause, round of applause. This is the sort of creativity and innovation that I love to see from the youths them, you know, something outside of the box, you know, just basically learning, educating themselves and, you know, using the information that, you know, come from physics to really create stuff like this on their own. And at this point is where I hope that he's able to just foster his talent, his natural talent from strength to strength and get the support from family and for the people them, the powers that be, wink, wink, corporate Jamaica, who can actually put him around people so that he can further this type of natural ability. So big up yourself, you know, and you know, all the best. Burritos. Leave a comment down below. Number 5, Jashii Woes. Me make a okay burritos now. This is boy, it's such a sad ass incident all around. So recently Jashii and his entourage was fired upon by men in an unknown vehicle as he was leaving from the Mecca that out almost a Constant Spring Road where he was celebrating his birthday. And so what I'm gathering is that around 6 men who were in one of the vehicles were shot. Jashii luckily was unharmed, but this just doesn't spell well for dancehall. Recent times we've heard about, you know, some incidents between Jashii's mother and somebody in the community, and that it might have been some sort of retaliation, but that has not been confirmed. That's just what people are saying on the social media streets. And so Jashii, we remember some time ago when he was at Rebel Salute, that moment that he had with Muta Baruka, and he was basically singing about his hard life and the type of criminal past, and he wanted to move away from that and to change things and to just, you know, rebrand himself. And a lot of, you know, Jamaicans fell in love with him and that spirit and didn't want to push him. So where things are, you know, situated right now, it's very sad. It's extremely sad, but, you know, God, and so we're just hoping that whatever is going on, it will be settled, it will be handled, and he can move on with his life and continue with his music as how, you know, I'm sure his parents would want it. So let me know in burritos, what are your thoughts on the entire incident? Sound off below.
This random video of the week is sponsored by iSpy 876, offering stylish, trending, and fashionable prescription frames for men, women, and children. Consulting and fitting available. Please reach out to them by calling or WhatsApping 876-303-5045 and visit their Instagram page at iSpy 876.
Number 4, graduation mess. Me, what is this? Now, burritos. Now, this particular video got me very heated. Yeah, man, I didn't like what I saw. I didn't love what unfolded. So, you know, our graduation season now, all of the parents are roll out family members who want to support, you know, their loved one and their achievements at the pep level. All of that are going right now. It's graduation season, right? So picture this. Parents galore, teachers, guardians, well-wishers. They're there to support their child, their loved one. Now, this video dropped now that showed, I guess, a mother who was trying to exit a room. I guess she had tried to make her way in a pass to go somewhere else with the child, and she got buck up on her baby father, and the two of them got end up in a one brawl. Take one look. No man, this is happening at a graduation. At a graduation. And the fact of the matter is, you know, it's just like, come on, man, come on, me not care. Parents will always, them can have issues, you know, can hate each other with a strong level of, like, me don't know if I call it, like, disgust. You get me? Uno could have vehemently want to just in each other throat. But the fact of the matter is that it should not be about you. It is about a child. And so the woman pass and the brother, him give her one push, you know, him give her one push, so she go chuck him off back and one whole entire brawl. And honestly, that whole entire thing that ensued was just very, very, very careless. It was just the height of careless behavior in our space like that in front of the child. And when you look on the child's face, you can tell that he was just devastated. So distraught. And you can tell, say, this is not the first time he's seen his parents behave like this. It's disgusting, man. And the sad thing about it is that this is not a unique case. Them something you probably go on all about the place, but this is probably one of the most recent ones to be captured on video. Come on, man. And luckily, eventually, at some point in time, you know, the people then pull him off of her, and she pulled one side. But this was just not it, man. This is about the child. This disgusting. And so what I'm hearing now is that the father was charged for, you know, what happened at the graduation and what he did to his baby mother. And, you know, find out say he's a contractor, 43-year-old, and me have to say, wagwan. Why when him look at something I go on, it always is like a contractor or something of that nature. Like, what is going on with all of this aggression? Come on, man. And, you know, I remember like some time ago, there was actually an incident with a couple that were, you know, left from the courthouse. And when the brother broke up the woman on the outside because she reported him for, you know, treating her violently, him actually see her and go step in her face out there. Remember when that video was circulating? You remember when that video circulated and when everything come now, him a come and talk about say, you know, people blow up the situation out of proportion and all that kind of things like that. These things have to stop. This is not cool. This doesn't make you a man. And if the woman did contribute to it, show up her mouth, if she play a fair part tonight too, because we don't know how the video set up, then I forgot here that she is wrong as well. But it's not about man, it's about the child, and some of those hopes that the child actually have some healthy people who can, you know, share some words of wisdom to him that can at least make him assess the situation and able to move on from it. Okay? Because them something you can traumatize people for years to come. So let me know what you thought of the entire incident, burritos. Sound off below.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
I have to go and big up the Bob Marley movie. The Marley trailer is out and I am absolutely loving it. Yeah, man, especially the accent. Like, so far, it sounds like a pretty decent job. Okay. Number 3, Rafting Lessons. Maria Cobry. Okay, burritos, no. You know, tourists always come to Jamaica and they cannot come here without going rafting. Like, I think of the ultimate girl picture. For when they there, you have the piece of bamboo stick. And then they are rafting, you have the picture that take up on the river, all kind of something there. That is what a lot of people travel to Jamaica for. So, this woman who, you know, she decides, say, here what? I want to have a little moment where me learn how to kind of maneuver this whole entire raft. And so the instructor was just like, all right, if you want to do it, me go sit down right here, sir, and you go take over the reins. And that he did.
You never stop trying till you make it. Hang on to it. Don't lose it. Try again. Yeah, push it hard. Okay. Push it just like you're pushing a baby.
I've never pushed a baby before, sir.
Oh, you're a virgin.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wait, it's stuck in the mud? Come help me.
It seems so. I'll pull it out.
Come help me.
Yeah. Push again. Same place. Push it the same part down. The same part down. Because the mud's gonna dirty up your hand.
Okay.
But take your time, push now. Don't push too hard because it's gonna stuck. So you gotta hold tight to it. Right.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I don't want you to lose it.
Yo, it's just the way how the brother describe what go on, you know. I mean, alone the thing say it's sexual. It sound very... Something about it just come like it have another undertone. It have another layer. It felt like a lot of puns, a lot of play on words was going on right there. And then they make like the woman at work, you know, and they talk about... Yeah, man, yeah, okay, yeah, you're right there, yeah, push it hard, yeah, push it real hard, man, yeah, you're doing it right, yeah, push it harder, oh yeah, you're pushing it, boy, if you don't like that, that's how it come like the brother did not do, because the girl up there in her very curvy stage, you know, like she have the 2 piece of spears them round her back like it just up there, so me understand the brother view right there. He was just like, yo, if I work, you want work, me I take my like a day off right now, me dey on vacation, cause me I enjoy the view. Mona Lisa who? So burritos, let me know what you thought of this video. Sound off below. Number 2, Rising Audition. Me off key. Okay, burritos, now so there's a new season of Digital Rising Stars, and it seems as if they're stepping up the promotion by bringing back what seems like the original energy of the show by having Anthony Miller front and center, giving that very strong Simon Cowell-like energy. And so this clip that they go viral with Anthony just a blam the people them left, right, and center. Like, come on, man.
Their song. You and me.
Okay. All right, let's hear it.
Oh, yeah, you and me,
anything?
Well, I just thought it didn't move me at all. It's very timid. No interest on my part.
No man, honestly, sometimes I feel like them have to coach the people them when them come on the show. Cause me I tell you, if they have certain dancehall artists and people come on the show, when them get the rejection, them never they gonna move it so softly like them woulda. Yeah man, you want all Rosalie. And them people they want to come on. And them people they want on the show for get vexed and talk the things them like all the Barbie and Candy. Wow. You get me coming and think that that would have been made for TV. Honestly, I feel like I be one of them people that will start to say, and at the last of this, in the end year, so you can't stop me. Because you go see me out there in the papers and stuff, man. It not done right here, so. It not done right here, so. And I just write this up on Rising Stars, it are done. Y'all go see me, man. Y'all go see me. And then we just disappear. That's it. True artist style. But Berry doesn't let me know. Would you be able to just take your shame if the audition for Rising Stars and Anthony shame you publicly and reject you and tell you say you cannot sing? How would you respond? Sound off below.
Hey, it's Maya, and you are tuned into the DuttyBerryShow. Keep it right here for more.
And number one goes to Drift Speech. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. So number one goes to DuttyBerry's Drift Speech. Okay, Berry does know. So Excelsior Primary School, they had their graduation, of course, for the kids them that, successfully passed their PEP exams. And so the person who was to deliver the keynote address was DuttyBerry, yes man, from DuttyBerryShow. And so the theme for the day was amidst the challenge, rise, the sky is the limit. And so DuttyBerry did here for go, address the graduates. And I also have to congratulate the young graduates earlier who I saw emceeing. This is something I don't see every day. The fact that you're able to identify talent and to give them a space where they can confidently, do what they do among their peers. I feel that has to be celebrated. But the thing that made this so, I guess, interesting for many people was that he was able to use TJ's very popular summer anthem, Drift, with the Gabidon choreography to tell a story that really reflected the theme. And so, just take a look. So, give me the first part of the dance. All right. I just want the first move. You see right there, so? That is challenges, and my girl I try to escape it. Stop. Oh. You going through the obstacles. Come here and tell you, graduates. Was it easy for study and deal with an appearance and all of that? Sometimes them get kind of annoying, sometimes putting you on the pressure, right? You can't get your free time to relax and stuff, right? People don't understand the pressure, So you go through the struggle now, right? How will you do? That's where the struggle, and where are you looking? Towards the? Towards the? Because the sky is the? Oh, come on, man. Come on. Yes. I say we're under there right now, Bazzi. This is what under there right now inside of the audience. Under there right here, so. Under just pass, babe. Life is good, life alright, and overcome that first hurdle. So now we look towards high school, to another category, to a higher heights, right? And there, so now, is where you're going to have to start over again and find yourself. Because show me the move after that. Stop. Yeah. Stop, right there, so. So you see right here, you reach a 7th grade now. When you go over to 7th grade, you find yourself. You don't know where you find yourself. See, you go left, you go right. And so you go, you try to find yourself. You cannot figure out everything on your own. And sometimes is where the parents collaborate with the teachers to support you when you ask for this help. Find yourself. Ask for help. Yeah. So right there, so now, you get a look at help now, say you're like, all right, me I go on, me I try through high school life, I go on for me, everything good, right? Because now you are going along that journey. So this is where because at each step that you overcome, you have to take a moment and celebrate. So for the parents here, I hope I carry them out later and make them feel good for the day, because you have to celebrate. And so that was pretty good. That was pretty dope. Definitely have to go and commend him. It was a very interesting take, something outside of the box. And I feel that I just hope and trust that the people who were there would have, resonated and connected to the message. And so, congratulations to Berry. I know him quite well, and he's a brother where I'm kind of miserable, but I understand that he really cares about the space and about impacting and about being a content creator and actually being true to the business and not all about the whole hype and all of that. And so I understand that this might be very new to him and very odd for him to be getting so much attention for something like this that he wouldn't normally post and share online. And so hopefully I'm going to have a conversation with him after this, that he's able to step outside them shell a little bit more and show the other sides, because I'm pretty sure him want to make people say he is more than just the social media countdown type stuff there. And so Berry, all the best, and just continue doing what you do. Hopefully I get to interview him one day. Yeah, man. Good youth. I'm a mess for that. Oh, God, I just got a kick out of that. But anyway, Berrydos, let me know what you thought of DuttyBerry's keynote address to the students at Excelsior Primary School. Well, that's it, Berrydos. We've come to the end of yet another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button. Yes, man. Hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of the Social Media Countdown. Do not forget to share the video. Yes, man. Share the video. Share the video with your friends so we can head to the 300,000 subscriber note. Also, if you want to support the channel, remember that the memberships options is still available. Now, people don't matter overthink it. Someone want to give me a little strength so we can, produce and get a lot more content out there. This is just a way where you can support me by joining one of the tiers them, and you can jump off whenever you choose to do so. But at least this option, if you want to say, Berry, say a $1 a year, me make a space for you to do so you can support and help the channel to grow. Follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. Okay, take care until... and for advertising in the Social Media Countdown and to book me for host... I'm going to spin my roll, yeah? Because honestly... Sealer. Yes, and to advertise within the Social Media Countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Remember that the DuttyBerry Summer Special is still going on. What are you waiting on? Anyway, take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in, zine.